A very good evening to one and all. Hope you are able to hear me. Can you guys please confirm over the chat whether you are able to hear me and able to see my screen? Yes. Okay then. Thanks for the confirmation. Yeah. So guys, I've just mentioned like as in the important information related to our class. So you can access like as in the Oracle class notes from the GitHub. Okay, GitHub, and you are going to get like as in the you are going to get the recordings of the class recordings through Ashok IT portal only. Okay, if you are not able to access those videos, you can check with an admin team on this. Okay, and the class related updates you can join in the WhatsApp group. Okay, that the WhatsApp group link you are going to get from the admin team only, sir. Okay, so whoever like as in the received the email from the admin team, in that email you can have the WhatsApp group, sir, private group of that WhatsApp group, so that you can join in that group for class related updates. And anybody not yet downloaded the SQL developer, so use this you use this URL to download the SQL developer from Oracle Corporation website. Okay, these are the important information. You cannot ask me for the multiple times, guys, because we are at the we had completed with the 10 sessions. So please try to complete. If anybody not yet completed the installation of Oracle 11G Express Edition and Oracle SQL Developer installation, means try to complete the things by today itself. Okay, I'm not giving you the links anymore as well from the today onwards. Okay, I will keep that information in the notepad itself. You can get that to the notepad from the GitHub. That's all. Okay, hope you are clear so far. Yes. Okay then. So what we have covered, guys, on yesterday? What we have covered on yesterday? What we have covered yesterday, guys? We explored on what? We explored on Oracle data types. Okay. So for Oracle data types, guys, if a particular database column need to hold like as in the whole number, okay, need to hold like as in the whole number means, then what data type I need to go for that? Can you guys please confirm? If a particular database column need to hold like as in the whole numbers means, then I need to go for an what? Number data type. Okay, number data type. Okay, so for holding like as in the whole numbers, so whole numbers, then we'll go for what? Number data type, sir. Okay, if I want to hold like as in the decimal numbers in a database column. Okay, if I want to hold like as in the decimal numbers of the database column, then what data type I need to go for that? Yes. Number of, okay, number of precision comma number of precision comma scale. Okay, so where precision represents what? Where precision represents what? Number of digits. Okay, number of digits, sir. Number of total digits, or you can say it as a number of digits. Okay, and whereas scale represents what, sir? Decimal points, sir. Okay, number of decimal points you require. Okay, yes, number of decimal points. Okay, this is all about for what? Holding the decimal values in your database column, sir. Okay, if I want to hold a particular if I wanted to hold like as in the fixed length of characters means, then what I need to go for the data type? Which data type I need to go for that one, sir? If I wanted to hold the fixed length of a string, if I want to hold like as in the fixed length of a string means, what data type I need to go for that one, sir? Char data type, right? Yes. Yes. Char data type, sir. Okay, char is nothing but an what? Fixed length of character data type, sir. It is a fixed length of character data type. Understand? Yes. So come on guys, if I want to go for the variable length of character means then what I need to go for that one, sir? Varchar, correct. So varchar, okay, it is nothing but an what? Variable variable length of character data type, sir. Variable length of character data type. Okay, yes. So what is the difference between varchar and varchar2? What is the difference between varchar and varchar2? What is the difference between varchar and varchar2? Varchar from SQL standard. Okay, for varchar from SQL language. Varchar2 for Oracle. Oracle introduced like as in what? Varchar2 data type. Okay, that is the point. If I want to hold the date value in your database column, then what data type it's suitable for? Holding like as in the date values in the DB column, then definitely you need to go for an what? Date data type, sir. If I want to hold like as in the date and type, date and time value in the database column, in the DB column, then what I need to go for that one? Timestamp. If I want to store more than 4,000 characters in a database column, then what data type is suitable for that? CLOB. CLOB for meant for what? Storing more than or greater, storing like as in the greater than 4,000 characters, sir. Okay, varchar can support up to what? 4,000 characters, but whereas on the CLOB can store like more than 4,000 characters, sir. If I want to store any kind of files, any kind of Word file or a PDF file or a Excel file or a any image or audio or the video, then I need to go for an what? Blob. Okay, so blob stands for what, sir? Blob stands for what? Blob stands for what, sir? Right? Audios and the videos, etc. Okay, yes, blob stands for what, sir? Binary large object. CLOB stands for what? Character large object, sir. Character large object. These are the data types which we have explored on yesterday, and also we have seen like as in the hands-on part as well on yesterday itself. Right, sir? Any doubts before starting off our today's session? Before starting off our today's session, are you clear with the data types of an Oracle or not? Okay, then sounds good. So today's session, sir, as part of our today's session, okay, as part of our today's session, we will be the exploring on, okay, we'll be the exploring on DDL commands, sir. Can you guys please confirm what is the meant by DDL commands? As part of our today's session, we will explore the various DDL commands, sir. Various DDL commands. What do you mean by DDL, sir? Can you guys please confirm DDL? Data definition language. DDL commands always deals with what? DDL command always deals with what? DDL command always deals with what? DDL command always deals with what? Data or structure? Structure of the database objects, sir. Understand? So DDL stands for, okay, DDL stands for database definition language, sir. Database definition language. Understand? And the DDL commands always deals with the structure of, deals with what? Structure of the database objects. Database objects. What are the database objects, sir? Database objects means nothing but an table, views, okay, views, okay, table, views, sequences, okay, stored procedures, Okay, stored procedures, and then what? Stored functions. Okay, stored functions. Okay, etc. All these are nothing but an what? The database objects, sir. By using the DDL command, you can create a table, you can create a view, you can create a sequence, you can create a stored procedure, you can create what? Stored functions as well. So what are the DDL commands, sir? What are the DDL commands? The following are the the following are the DDL commands, sir. What are those? Can you guys please list out? Can you guys please list out what are the DDL commands? Create, alter, truncate, and the drop, sir. Okay, so create, alter, okay, alter, truncate, drop, and rename. Rename. All these are nothing but on what? DDL commands, sir. DDL commands. Okay, create, alter, truncate, drop, and rename. All these are nothing but on what? The DDL commands, sir. Okay, so by using these DDL commands, you can create any database object. You can create any database object. You can alter any database object. You can truncate any database object. You can drop any database object, and you can rename any database object, sir. Understand, sir? By using the DDL commands, by using what? The DDL commands, by using what? The DDL commands, we can apply, by using the DDL commands, we can apply on any database objects, sir. Okay, by using like the DDL commands, by using the DDL commands, we can apply on any database objects. You can create a table, you can create another view, you can create a sequence, you can create a stored procedure and stored function. You can alter the table, you can alter the view, you can alter the sequence, you can alter the stored procedure, you can alter the stored function as well. And the same rule is applicable for rest of the commands as well. Truncate, drop, and rename. Hope you guys are clear, in line with me, everyone. By using the DDL commands, we can create and we can modify and we can drop any database objects, sir. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So we will explore all these the commands, sir. Okay, we will explore all these the commands. Okay, number one, create, sir. Okay, create. By using this command, by using this DDL command, okay, we can create any database object. We can create any database object such as a table, okay, such as a table or view, okay, such as table or view. So guys, please turn off your cameras. It will leads to disturbing for others. Okay, it will leads disturbing for others, sir. Please turn off your cameras. Anil Nayak. Okay, yes, tables, views, okay, sequences, you can create like as in the sequences. Okay, so create like as in the sequences. Okay, the sequences and synonyms, okay, stored procedures are functions as well. Stored procedures, comma, stored functions, sir. Sir, anything, any database object, you can create it by using what? Create a DDL command, sir. Okay, we are already familiar how to create a table by using the by using like as in the creator table command, right or not? Right or not? Initially we started with what? Creating a one of the database object called what? Table, right or not, sir? Right? So we are already discussed about that one. Yes. Okay, so now as of now we are going to create, as of now we are going to create what? We are going to create on what? The database table, sir. So database table, that is nothing but one of the data one of the database object. Can you guys please help me the syntax for creating the database table, sir? Can you guys help me? What is the syntax for creating the database table? Can you guys help me? What is the syntax for creating the table, sir? Create a table followed by table name. Okay, followed by what? Table name. Okay, table name, and then followed by what? Column name 1, and then column 1 data type. Okay, column 1 data type, and then column name 2. Okay, followed by column 2 data type. Okay, like that, so on. You need to create as many as number of columns for your the table, sir. Am I correct or not, sir? Yes, sir. As of now, I'm not highlighting the set of columns here. I'm just giving you the syntax. As many as number of the columns you can create under the table, no problem at all. Okay, you can mention as what? Column n and column n data type as well. That's fine. Okay, terminated with semicolon. If you want like as an example for that, you can create one sample table, sir, no problem. Okay, you can create like as in the sample table. Create a table something what Ashok IT underscore users, sir. Okay, where username the varchar 2 of 50 characters, and then followed by what? Password. Okay, or we can say what? The user password, sir. We can say it as in what? User password. Okay, that is nothing but an varchar 2 of 100 characters, sir. Okay, this is how the two columns got created for this table, sir. Hope you guys are comfortable on this. We are already familiar how to create a table. Yes. Okay, then fine, sir. Okay. Sir, as I already given you some rules and guidelines to be followed for a table name and the column names as well. Please go through the earlier notes. Please go through the previous notes, sir. So that you will get like as in the four thumb rules related to the data table names and the column names, sir. Understand? Okay, then fine. Then fine, sir. Shall we get into the another DDL command? Shall we start with another DDL command? Yes. Yes. So let us move on to the another DDL command called what? Alter. This is the one of the most important DDL commands, sir. Okay, this is the one of the most important DDL command. Observe carefully. This command is used to basically this command. Okay. Yes. By using this command, by using this DDL command, okay, we can modify the structure. We can modify the structure of the database object, sir. We can modify the structure of what? Database objects. Okay, as of now, we just concentrated on the one of the database object called what? Table, right? Table, right? So we can modify the structure of the table by using this DBDL command, sir. Understand, guys? By using this DDL command, as of now, by using this DDL command, we can modify the we can modify the structure of the database table, sir. Okay, structure of the database table. Understand? Yes. Okay, by using this command, we can perform the below things, sir. Okay, by using what? By using like as in the by using this command, we can perform what? The below things. What things we can do? What things we can do, sir? We can add we can add the new column. We can add the new column to the existing table, sir. To the existing table. Understand my point or not, sir? See, initially we created the two columns. Initially we created like as in the two columns, sir. Two columns. Later on, your business requirement, you wanted to add some more columns to the existing table. In such a cases, tell me again, are you going to drop the table and recreating the table? Tell me, guys. So initially, as per your business requirement, you got like as in the two columns as part of in the table. Okay, later on your business enhancements, you need to add some more columns to the existing table, sir. At that time, tell me, are you going to delete the existing table and recreating the table? Come on, guys. No, no, that would not be the good practice, right? So we cannot recreate the table, sir. We cannot recreate, we cannot drop, we cannot delete the existing table and we are not going to recreate the table. Okay, we will just we will add the new columns. Whatever the new columns you would like to add for the existing table, that you can do with the help of what? DDL command of what? Alter. Understand, sir? That is what one of the business requirement. What we can do, we can we can we can remove or we can remove or drop the existing column. So we can remove or drop the existing column from the table as well. Understand my point, guys? What is the second point, sir? We can remove or drop the one of the existing column from the table as well, sir. By using like as in the alter command, you can remove or drop the existing column from the table. Understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? That is the second point, sir. That is the second point. By using like as in the alter command, you can add the new columns to the existing table, and as well as you can remove the new columns. So you can remove the existing columns. So you can remove the existing columns from the table as well. Okay. By using by using like as in the alter command, we can rename the sir, remove and the drop. Remove for understanding purpose I have written. Drop is the database terminology. Okay, what is that? There is a node. See, as per our understanding purpose, I have written like as in the remove, sir, which indicates what? Just removing for what? Yes, removing for the column, sir. Removing the column from the table. Drop is a database terminology and remove is nothing but an our terminology, sir. That's all. Okay. Yes. So see, sir. Okay, Bhaskar, we cannot delete the whole table by using alter command, sir. Okay. We can rename the column names. Okay, we can rename the column names for the existing table, sir. Understand, sir? We can rename what? We can rename the column names for the existing columns in the table. Okay, existing column in the table, sir. Understand? That is the third point, sir. And coming to the fourth point, sir. Okay, coming to the fourth point. we can modify the data types of we can modify the data types for what? Existing columns in the table, sir. In the table. Understand my point, sir? These are the 4 points which we can do with the help of what? Alter command. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. We can add the new columns to the existing table by using alter command. By using the alter command, we can drop the existing column from the table as well. And by using the alter command, we can rename the column names for the existing columns. Okay, existing columns in the table as well. And we can modify the data types for the existing columns in the database as well. Hope you guys are clear for these 4 points by using the alter command. By using like as in the alter command, hope you guys are clear or not. Everyone in line with me? Everyone in line with me, guys? Yes, yes, sir. Please wait for a minute, sir. We are just getting into the commands, right? We are just try to understand the commands first. What would be the purpose of the commands? Then we'll talk about the hands-on part. See, I just given you the syntax as well. Okay, for creating the table. Okay. Yes. Based on the syntaxes, based on the syntaxes, we can execute those things, sir. Try to understand. Slowly we'll get on to these things, sir. Okay. Yes. So see, sir. So the syntax for, okay. So now what we are going to do, sir? Alter. Sir, you cannot modify the rows. Sun Prakash, we cannot modify the data. DDL commands is concentrating on what? Structure of the database objects. You cannot modify the rows of information by using the alter. Okay. Yes. So see, sir, let us talk about one by one, sir. The first point is nothing but on what? Adding the new columns, adding like as in the new column into the existing table, sir. Into the existing table. Okay, that is nothing but on what? Alter hyphen add, sir. Using like as an alter add command, you can do these things. Sir, you can add the one column to the existing table. Also, you can add multiple columns to the existing table, sir. There is no restriction for you to add only one column at a time. Based on your business requirement, if you wanted to add like as an one column or more than one column, you can add it at a time itself. Understand, sir? So this command is used to is used to add what? Okay, alter add command is used for what, sir? This command is used to add one column or more than one column or one column or more than one column. Okay, more than one column to the existing table, guys. Understand, sir? This command is used for what? Command for used for what, sir? Adding like as an adding to I use it to add the one column or the more than one column one column to existing table. Understand my point or not, sir? Okay. Yes. So what would be the syntax for this, sir? What would be the syntax? Sir, observe carefully. Observe carefully the syntax. This is an important. Okay. Yes. So see, sir. Alter table name. Okay, whatever the table you wanted to modify, the table name you need to specify, sir. Okay, whatever the table name you would like to add the new columns, the table name you need to specify here. Okay, alter table name, and then followed by add keyword, and then followed by what? Column. Okay, column, and then followed by what? Column name 1, column name 1, column name 1, and then followed by what? Column 1 data type as well. Okay, column 1 data type. Okay, etc. And then column name n. Okay, column name n. Okay, column name n, and then followed by what? Column name n, and then followed by what? Column n data type, sir. Okay, column n data type. That's all. Okay, it's up to your wish whether you want to add a new column. So based on your business requirement, whether you want to add a one column at a time or more than one column at a time, it's up to your wish, sir. Okay, this is what like as in the syntax you need to follow. Alter table name, add column, add keyword, and add under the column are the predefined keywords, sir. Okay, and then followed by what? Column name 1, column 1 data type, and so on, column name n, n column, and then nth column data type as well, sir. That's all. Okay, so we created like as an Ashok IT underscore users table, right? So for that, I'm going to write an example for that, sir. Okay, example. Example. Okay, SQL prompt. We'll be having what? SQL prompt. Alter table Ashok IT underscore users, add column, add column of what? Okay, add column of what? Gender. Okay, or you can say username and the password, right? And then okay, gender will go with what? Char of 1. Okay, and then followed by what? Okay, followed by what? City name. Okay, city name varchar 2 of 50 characters, sir. Okay, 50 characters. That's all. So this is what we are adding the new column. No, sir. Rashekar, we cannot add the column. We cannot add the new column between the columns, sir. Always when you are adding the new column, always when you are adding the new columns to the existing table, it will be appended to the last of the table. Understand? There is a no chance of adding the new column between the columns. That is not possible, sir. Okay. Note. I will mention it as on the note, sir. Okay. I will mention it as on the note. Okay. Okay. Mention it as on the note. What is that the note? We cannot add the new columns. We cannot add the new columns at required positions. We cannot add like as on the new columns in the required positions in the table, sir. At required positions in the table. Required positions in the table. Okay. Fine. And always. Okay. Always newly added columns. Always newly added columns will be added at the end of the table, sir. At the end of the columns list, at the end of the existing columns. That's all. Understand, guys? This is what like as an adding like as an the new column to the existing table, sir. Hope you guys are clear. Hope you guys are clear. Simultaneously we'll practice the things, sir. Simultaneously we'll practice the things. See here, I'm going to create a table. I just open like as in the SQL developer tool. Okay, most of them are not able to wait. Okay, for the practicing. No, I'm going to create a new table, sir. I'm going to create a new table here for today. Okay, create a table Ashok IT underscore users. Okay, Ashok IT underscore users. First, I'm going to create what? Username varchar 2 of 50 characters, and then user underscore password. Okay, user underscore password, then varchar 2 of 100 characters, sir. Okay, yeah, the table got created, sir. The table got created. That's all. Okay, how can you describe the table, sir? How can you see the columns in the existing table? Ashok IT underscore users. So see, only the 2 columns are there. Shall we add the new column to the existing table? Come on, guys. Sir, as I told you, varchar 2 for what? Variable length characters, sir. Okay, given by the Oracle. Okay. Yes. So shall we add the new column to the existing table, sir? We are already created the database table, and based on my business requirement, I got a new requirement of my business need to support for some more columns in the existing table. Then I can go for what? Alter table name Ashok IT underscore users, and then add a column. Okay, add column, and then followed by how many columns I would like to add? Two columns. So one is what? Gender column. Okay, nothing but an char of one character and then care of one character and then city name, that is nothing but an what? Varchar 2 of 50 characters, sir. That's all. See here, sir. Okay. What we are getting here? One minute. 1 minute. Alter table, then followed by what? This one. Why we are getting varchar 2? No, something got mistake. Where, sir? Char. No, sir, that will not the things. Oh, sorry. Add column and then followed by name. That's all right. Invalid identifier, error line, percentage invalid identifier. What is that one? Alter table, table name, add column. There is no space, sir, here. One minute. Yesterday we created the table, right? Yesterday we created the table disk Ashok IT underscore employees. Okay. Yeah. So it's going to be the gender, right? Okay. Yeah. Add. So that is gender care of 1. Okay. And then followed by city name. That is nothing but an varchar 2 of something like 50 characters, sir. Why we are getting the things? No. Okay. Okay. Yes. I believe the syntax wise, okay. Column is not required, sir. Sorry. Alter add is fine. Okay. Add is fine, sir. Okay. Then check it out, sir. The user table got altered or not? So alter table, Ashokite underscore users, add column, add field, okay, gender, and then followed by city name, sir. Okay, the table got altered. You can verify, sir. Now how many columns are there? Sir? In the users, Ashokite underscore users table, how many columns are there, guys? Username, user password, gender, and the city name, sir. Right? So there are the 4 columns are there here. Okay. So whenever you want to add a new columns for your business requirement of an existing table, definitely you need to go for an what? Alter add command, sir. Understand, guys? Understand my point or not? Understand my point or not, guys? Everyone? Yes. So, yes. Then what we need to do, sir? Then we need to go for another point, sir. What is that one? We can remove or we can drop the existing columns from the table as well. Understand, guys? What we can do, guys? By using, we can remove or we can drop. Okay, you can drop the existing column from the table, sir. By using what command? Alter command, alter-drop command, sir. Alter-drop drop command. Alter hyphen drop command, guys. Okay. Yes, sir. Fine. Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. This command is used to remove the columns from the existing database table, sir. Existing database table. Understand, sir? Existing database table. Okay. Yes. What is the syntax for that, sir? What is the syntax for removing the column from the existing table, sir? Okay. What is the syntax for removing the existing column from the table? Okay. So one is alter table name. Okay. Alter table name. Okay. Alter table name. Drop. Okay. Column. Okay. Drop column. And then followed by what? Column name 1 and so on. Column name n, sir. Okay. Column name n columns. Okay. You can remove as many as number of columns at a time as well. Understand, guys? Understand? By using like as on the alter drop. Okay. By using the by using this command, either we can drop one column or more than one column, sir. More than one column at a time. More than one column at a time. That's all. That is the one point you need to keep in mind. Okay. That's all, sir. Okay. What is an example, sir? What is an example for that? Okay. I wanted to drop another existing column, sir. I wanted to drop like as an existing column. I wanted to drop like as an existing column, sir. Can I? So see, sir. Alter, select star from Ashok IT underscore employees. This is what the table which we have created on yesterday. Right, sir? This is what the table which we have created on yesterday, sir. Right or not? So shall I drop the table? Shall I drop the column from this table, sir? Come on, guys, please try to respond. Alter table name, what? Drop column. Okay, column, then column name, sir. So what column I am going to removing, sir? What column I am removing here? What column I am removing from the table? Please try to answer. What column we are removing from the table? Created a date. I'm just removing the column from the table called what? Created a date. Okay. And at the same way, can I remove like more than one column at a time or not? See, sir, can I remove like more than one column at a time or not? Tell me, sir. Yes. See, sir, this is the way to remove like more than one column at a time, sir. I'm just removing these two columns from the table. See here. So just a minute. Okay. Drop column. Okay. Drop column and this one. Okay. In such a case, what you need to do? You can remove this one. Okay. Yes. This is the way of removing the multiple. So this is the way of removing what? This is the way of removing what? The multiple columns from the multiple columns you can drop like as in the multiple columns from the table, sir. Understand? Understand my point or not? This is nothing but an what? Removing the one column. Removing the one column from the table. One column from the table. And this is nothing but an what? Removing the multiple columns. Multiple columns from the table, sir. Understand, sir? You can remove it, sir. Okay. Just select the command. Just select the command and remove it. See, sir, the table got altered. the table got altered. So you can verify the data. See, sir, only 3 columns are there or not? Come on, guys. Only 3 columns will be there or not, guys? Yes. This is what like as in the syntax for you guys. Okay. So SQL prompt, you can execute it. Okay. And this is nothing but this one. Okay. This is nothing but on what? Removing the column. Okay. So column name 1. This is nothing but on what? Removing only one column at a time. Okay. Removing only one column at a time. The second syntax is what? Alter table. Okay. Table name. Okay. Then followed by what? Drop of what, sir? Column name 1 and column name 2. Okay, column name 2, and then for so on, column name n, sir. That's all. This is how you can remove like as in the single column and multiple columns from the existing table, sir. Yes, sir. We will write like as an, see, sir. See, I wanted to drop like as in the gender column. Okay, then gender command. See, this is the command I was executed. Balam Chandra, clear? So now you can verify it. Now you can verify it. See, only 2 columns are there. Okay, clear? Yeah, definitely, sir. The nodes will be the pasting, the queries will be there here. Okay, yes. This is what like as in the removing only one column from the table, and how can you remove like as in the multiple columns from the table as well. This is the second point, sir. Clear? Abhijit, after altering, can I retrieve, sir? What is that, sir? You wanted to retrieve back the columns? You want to retrieve back to the columns? No, you cannot. Okay, I will tell you, sir. Just wait for a minute. Okay, just wait for the couple of minutes. Sir, don't left from the meeting, sir. Up to 10:10 or 10:15, please stay back in the meeting. Okay? Yes. Okay then. So how can I rename the column names as well? Okay. So how can I rename the column names as well, sir? That is the third point, sir. Okay. By using like as in the alter command, sir, what we can do, sir, you can rename the column names as well, sir. By using like as in the alter command, we can rename the alter command. We can rename the column names as well. That is nothing but an alter rename, sir. Okay, alter rename. Okay, understand? So this command is used to change the column names. Okay, change the column names. Change the column names from old column name to new column name, sir. Understand, sir? You can change like as in the old column name to new column name. Okay. By using this command, we cannot, okay, we cannot change the, we cannot rename the, okay, we cannot rename the column names. We cannot rename the column names for more than one column at a time. Understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? You cannot rename the column names for more than one column at a time, sir. At a time, you can only rename for one column at a time. That's all. Understand? Understand my point or not? By using this command, you cannot rename the column names for more than one column at a time, sir. Understand? Yes. So what is the syntax for that? Don't left the meeting, sir. Don't be left for the meeting. Please stay back up to 10:10 or 10:15. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then the syntax, sir. Syntax. Alter table. Table name. Okay. Alter table. Alter table. Table name. Okay. Alter table. Table name. Then followed by what? Rename. Rename is the command, sir. Rename. Column. Okay. Column. Old column name. Old column name to what? New column name, sir. Understand, sir? New column names. This is the syntax for what? Changing like as an the old column name to new column name, sir. Go back to the SQL developer. Okay. We have a EMP name column. Under the Ashok IT underscore employees table, we have EMP name column, right? Observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. What I need to do here is I wanted to rename the column name from employee name to what? Something like employee underscore name, sir. This is what the name I need to change it. Understand? This is what the name I need to change it. So alter table name Ashok IT underscore employees. Okay, Ashok IT underscore employees. Then rename column. Okay, rename column. Old column name is what? EMP name. Okay, EMP name. And then old column name is nothing but an what? EMP name. And then what? New column name. That is nothing but an employee underscore name, sir. That's all. Okay. Yes. Just execute that one, sir. So the statement got executed and you can verify. Select a star from Ashok IT. Okay. Select a star from a what? Ashok IT underscore employees. So see, sir, the column name got changed or not? The column name got changed or not, sir? Come on, guys. So column name got changed or not, sir? This is what like as an example, sir. This is what like as an example for what? Renaming the column, sir. Renaming the column name in the database table. Understand? Yes. So immediately the question may get into your mind. Sir, is it possible to rename the table name or not? Is it possible to rename the table name or not? Yes. Yes, sir. Swaraj, sir, you can change one more column name, sir. Yeah, you can, sir. You can change it, no problem. Okay, employee underscore EMP ID is there, right? Okay, EMP ID is there, right? I can make it what? Employee underscore ID. You can. Okay, just change it. Employee underscore ID. Okay, yes. So immediately the question may get into your mind. Sir, is it possible to rename like as in the table names or not by using alter command? Yes, you can. Yes, you can, sir. Syntax for what? Renaming the table names, sir. Syntax for what? Renaming the table names. Okay. So what is the syntax for that? Alter table, old table name, okay, to what? New table name as well, sir. Understand, sir? New table name. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is what like as in the syntax. My old table name is my old table name is what? My old table name is nothing but an Ashok IT underscore employees. Okay. My new table name, I would like to add the new table name as an what? Okay. I would like to add the new table name as an what? Mahesh IT underscore employees. Okay. Mahesh IT underscore employees, sir. Okay, this is what the thing I need to do, sir. Okay, so shall come back to the IDE. Come back to the IDE. Sorry, SQL developer, and just okay, renaming the table names, sir, using alter command. Okay, using what? Alter command. Alter table. Okay, Ashok IT underscore employees to what? Mahesh IT. Okay, Mahesh IT underscore employees. Understand? Alter table name. Okay, rename to, sir. Okay, rename to. That's all. So see, sir. Yes, the table got altered. So now if you select a star from Ashok IT underscore employees means you will get a message called what? You will get a message called what? Table or view does not exist. Okay. If you select the table by using what? Mahesh IT underscore employees means then your table will get here, sir. See, sir. Right? This is the way you can change the column name by using what? Alter command. Okay. So example, sir. Okay. Example. Okay. Example. This is what the command for that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, fine, sir. Fine. Alter command. So after that, what is the output you are going to get? What is the output you are going to get? Go to the SQL developer and SQL script alter. Okay, this is the command, sir. This is the output you are going to get. Okay, that's it. So after that, after renaming the table, okay, if I'm going to select a star from Ashok IT, okay, so select a star from what? Ashok IT underscore employees command. If I hit this command, what is the output you are going to get? What is the output you are going to get, sir? Go to the SQL developer, okay, and observe the query result. Okay, if I'm going to select the table, what is that one, sir? You will be getting this error. You will be getting what error, sir? Table or the view does not exist, sir. That is what the problem. Okay, yes, does not exist. So what I need to do, sir, to get the results? To get the results, what I need to do? Come on. Select. Sir, I'm going with the slowly, sir. Subhash, I'm going very little bit slow. Okay, whatever the commands I was executed in the SQL developer, I'm just typing it here, sir. Okay, please follow it. Okay, Mahesh IT underscore employees. What is the output you are going to get, sir? You will be getting what? The results of the records or not? You will be getting what? The results of the records, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is about what? This is nothing but an what? Okay, alter with renaming the column names and renaming the table names, sir. Understand? Hope you are clear, everyone. Yes. So what is the fourth point, sir? What is the fourth point? You can change the you can change the data type. You can change the data type. Okay. You can change like as in the data type. Okay. So we can change like as in the data type. We can modify the data type of the existing columns in the table by using what? alter modify, sir. Okay, that is nothing but on what? Alter modify. Understand, sir? Alter modify command. Sir, please stay back. Don't left for the meeting. Okay, I'm going to tell you some important commands. Okay, I'm going to show you like as an important commands. Okay, so just wait for a minute. Okay, just wait for the couple of minutes. Okay, yes. By using this command, we can increase or we can decrease the size of the data type. Okay, size of the data type. Okay, size of the data type, and also size of the data type of the database columns of the database. Okay, database columns. Okay, and we can change the data type. Okay, we can change the data type from old data type to new data type as well. Old data type to new data type as well, sir. Understand? So these are the things which we can do with the help of what? Okay, these are the things which we can do with the help of what? Alter modify command, sir. Okay, so let us try to understand the syntax. How to modify the size, how to increase or decrease the size of the data type for existing column, sir. Okay, alter table. Okay, then followed by table name. Okay, then followed by what? Table name, and then followed by modify column, modify table. Okay, and then what? Column name, and then followed by what? Data type, sir. Data type of the size. This is what you can do by increasing what? Mahendra Singh Dhoni, like I could not understand, sir. Can we create a multiple columns inside the one column? What do you mean, sir? I will take your question at the end of our session, sir. Okay, yeah, just wait for a minute. Okay, alter table. Okay, alter table name, modify column name. Okay, modify column name and the data type of size, sir. Okay, modify the size, data type of the size. Okay, go back to this one and see, sir. See, verify, sir. Okay, see here. Description of Mahesh IT underscore employees. So right now the employee name size is how many characters, sir, of the varchar? Can you guys please confirm? What is the size of an employee name column? 50 characters, right? Up to 50 characters it can store. I would like to increase alter table name Mahesh IT underscore employees. Okay, Mahesh IT underscore employees. Modify column name. Column name is what? Employee underscore name. Okay, varchar 2 of 100 characters, sir. That's all. See, the table got altered. You can verify the description of the table as well. So see, the size of the data type is got increased or not? The size of the data type got increased or not? So this is the way of what? Changing like as in the increased the one column at a time. If I'm going to have more than one column at a time, means what I need to do? So Mahesh IT underscore employees modify. Okay, modify of what? Employee underscore ID. Okay, employee underscore ID, number of 4 digits, and then support and employee underscore name. Okay, employee underscore name varchar 2 of 150 characters or 140 characters. It's up to your wish. Okay, this is the way of what? Table or view does not exist. Okay, see, the table name got misplaced. See, sir. 1 minute. Okay, employee underscore ID, sir. So here we have a clear button. You can clear the console and execute it. Okay. See, sir, what is the problem, sir, here? So see, column to be modified must be an empty or decreasing the precision or the scale. So means right now the column of the employee ID is how many digits, sir? 5 digits. But what is the data in this table? What is the data in this table, sir? See, sir, somehow like 4 digits are existed. Okay, so somehow we can we cannot decrease the size of this column. What you need to do, sir? You can increase it. You can increase it. See, the table got increased or not? Understand? While you are decreasing the data type of an existing column, just keep in mind that the data is existed or not. If the data is existed means accordingly you need to increase or decrease. That's all. Okay, this is the second column, sir. The way of doing like as in more than one column at a time. Understand? So example, sir. Okay, example. Okay, this is nothing but an what? Example, sir. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. SQL. Okay, clear, sir? Everyone? Okay, if I'm okay, fine, sir. Okay, column name 1 and then followed by what? Column name, column underscore name n and then followed by the data type of what? Size, sir. Okay, sir, please disable the cameras. Okay, that's all. This is the way of what? Increasing or decreasing the size of the data types, sir. Understand, guys? Everyone is clear? By using the alter command, what you can do, sir? You can add the new columns to the existing table. You can drop the existing columns from the database table. Okay, you can rename the column names and you can rename the table names by using alter command, and you can modify the data types of the existing table as well. That is what the importance of an alter command, sir. Clear, sir, everyone? Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear or not? Yes. Yes. Fine, sir. Okay, let us talk about the 2 more small commands, sir. 2 more small commands as well. Okay, so truncate. The third command of the DDL command. The third DDL command is what? Truncate, sir. Truncate. Okay. Okay. This command is used to delete the records. Okay. Delete the records permanently from the existing table, sir. Okay. Existing table. Understand, guys? This command is used to delete the records permanently from the existing table. Okay. So create a alter. Okay. Rename. Okay. Create alter, rename, drop, or concentrating on what? Concentrating on what? Concentrating on a structure of the database. Structure of the database object, sir. But whereas truncate, okay, but whereas truncate concentrates on what? Concentrates on what? Data, sir. Concentrates on what? Data. Sir, immediately the question may get into your mind. Sir, if it is concentrating on the data, why the truncate is not a part of DML command, sir? If it is a concentrating on the data, why the truncate is not a part of the DML command? No, sir. It is a part of DDL command. Okay. It always talks about so structure means It's just deleting the data and remains the structure in the database as well. Understand? What is the syntax for this one, sir? Syntax. Okay. What is the syntax for that? What is the syntax? So the syntax is nothing but an truncate. Okay. Truncate table name, sir. That's all. Truncate table name. That's all. Understand, sir? The example, you can try it. Okay. We'll do that one later. Okay. So we'll do that one later. Okay. Truncate table name Mahesh IT underscore employees. That's all. This is what the truncate command, guys. Hope you guys are comfortable. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Truncate always talks about what? Deleting the data from the table. Okay. See here. I'm going to execute that one. Okay. Truncate table name. How many records are there in the Mahesh IT underscore employees table? 6 records are there. Okay. Truncate table. Okay. Mahesh IT underscore employees. So see, sir, the table got truncated and you can verify the table. So is there any records in the table? Truncate, sir, no problem. Spell mistake is there. Huh? So that's fine, sir. Okay. Truncate, sir. I will change it, sir. No problem. Okay. Yeah, fine. That records are existed in the table or records are not existed in the table. So records are not existed in the table, but a database structure is deleted and a database structure is not deleted. Come on, guys. Database structure is deleted or not deleted? Database structure is not deleted here. Okay. Truncate concentrating about what? Structure of the truncate concentrating about what? The data of the table, sir. It's just deleting what? The data of the table. Okay. If I want to delete the structure of the database table as well, if I want to delete permanently the structure of the table means, then I need to go for what? Drop. Understand, sir? If I want to delete the records from the table permanently means I can go for what? Truncate. Okay. So if I want to delete the database structure permanently means, then I need to go for what? Drop. Okay. This command is used to remove the table structure, remove like as in the table structure, remove the table structure from the database objects. Okay. From the database objects, sir. Understand? Okay. Yeah, sir, truncate is truncate cannot able to delete only one column of data, sir. You can delete truncate syntax. If you see the syntax, it concentrating on table, not column. Okay. So what is the syntax? If I want to remove, if I want like as in the remove, if I want to remove like if I want to drop if I want like as in the drop table and then followed by what? Table name, sir. That's all. That's all. This is what like as in the drop, sir. Understand, sir? Drop a table name, sir. Understand? Example. Sir, hope you guys are got the clarity. Truncate is nothing but an deleting the data from the table, whereas on the drop is nothing but an what? Deleting the table structure. Table structure, sir. Okay, that's all. Rashekar, truncate is for just concentrating on deleting the data from the table. Okay, but whereas on the drop, it's just deleting the structure of the table, sir. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See here, I'm just dropping the table, sir. Drop table. Okay. Mahesh IT underscore employees. Fine. So the table got dropped. What is that one, sir? The table got dropped, sir. This is what the output you are going to get. This is what like as an output you are going to get, guys. Understand? So this is when the table got truncated. When the table got truncated, so you will be the getting as on the what? The output, this one. Okay? Yes. Fine. Clear, sir? Up to now the 4 DDL commands. Up to now, like the 4 DDL commands, is that clear, guys? What is the last command, sir? What is the last command? What is the last command? 5th command. So that is nothing but an what? Rename command, sir. That is nothing but an what command, sir? Rename command. Drop we are already completed. We are already completed the drop, sir. Now we are talking about like 5th command. What? The 5th command of the DDL is what? Rename. What is the help of the rename, sir? Yes, you can create like as in the you can create the same table with the same, you can create like as in the same table name after dropping, sir. You can. Okay, I can create it, no problem. See here, Mahesh IT underscore employees table is there, right? We are already having that one. Yesterday we created. You can do that one, sir. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me complete my discussion. So this command is used to change the table name from old table name to new table name, sir. New table name. That's all. That's all, sir. You can, by using like as in the rename command, what you can do, sir, you can just rename the old table name to new table name, sir. That's all. It's just nothing but an renaming the table names. You cannot have an option to rename the columns. Understand? So that is a syntax, nothing but an what? Rename old table name to what? New table name, sir. New table name. That's all. Okay. So this is what like as in the syntax, and the example is what? So we have already the Ashokite underscore users table, right? I would like to rename that to the table to what? Rename old table name is what? Ashokite underscore users to what? Mahesh IT underscore users. That's all. This is what the table name I would like to do. Okay. Let's do that one, sir. Let's do that one. Okay. Rename command. Okay. Ashok IT underscore users. Okay. To what? Mahesh IT. Okay. Mahesh IT underscore users. That's all. This is what the commands are. Okay. Yes. The table got renamed. The table got renamed. You can select the data. You can describe the data as well. Okay. So describe the data. Mahesh IT underscore user. Yes, sir. You can do the same thing by using as an alter command. Okay. You can use like as in the same thing by using like as an alter command as well as the rename command, sir. Okay. Yes. Output, sir. Okay. Yes. Okay, then fine, sir. Hope you guys are comfortable about the rename command as well. Come on, guys, quickly. Yes. Fine. Sir, what table we have dropped so far? What table we have dropped so far? Can you guys please list the name? Sir, in our computers, when you delete some file, where you need to get that deleted file, sir? From the recycle bin, right? When you delete some file from your computer, so where you will be the restoring that file, sir? Come on, guys, where you are getting the restoring that file? Recycle bin, right? Recycle bin. Okay. Whatever the tables we have dropped in the Oracle, that dropped tables will be stored in a Oracle recycle bin, sir. Understand my point, guys? What I'm trying to say? Understand my point? Whatever the tables we have dropped in the Oracle database, those tables are going to be available in what? Oracle recycle bin. Understand? So yes. So note point, sir. Understand? Whatever the tables we got dropped, okay, in the Oracle database, okay, in the Oracle database, those tables those table can be, those tables are available, those tables are available in Oracle Recycle Bin. Okay, Oracle Recycle Bin, sir. Sir, Adi, drop is meant for what? Just deleting the structure from the database. Truncate is for what? Deleting the data permanently from the database. Okay, and delete, we'll talk about the next one, sir. In the tomorrow session, you will get the clear. Okay, yes. Sir, whatever the tables we got dropped in the database, whatever the tables we got dropped in the Oracle database, those tables are available in Oracle Recycle Bin, sir. Okay, so to retrieve that recycle bin, okay, to retrieve the Oracle Recycle Bin, to retrieve like as in the Oracle Recycle Bin, okay, we need to use the below command, sir. Then we need to use the below command. What is that command? What is that command? Select a star from recycle bin. Understand? Select a star from what? The recycle bin, sir. Understand? This is what like as in the command, sir. This is what like as in the command to get like as in the recycle bin. Okay. So let us try that one, sir. Okay. Select a star from recycle bin, sir. Okay. Yes. So see, sir, select a star from recycle bin. What is the table, sir? We just deleted right now. Right or not? We just deleted that table Mahesh IT underscore customers or not? Mahesh IT underscore employees or not? Come on, guys. We just deleted that Mahesh IT underscore employees or not? Can we restore that table back into our Oracle database or not, sir? Yes. Whatever the tables you have dropped, by default, those tables are available in Oracle Recycle Bin, sir. You can restore that. The table. Okay. You can restore that to the table by using what? Flashback command, sir. Understand, sir? What command, sir? Flashback command. Okay. We can restore the dropped table back to the Oracle database by using what command, sir? Flashback command. Flashback command, sir. Understand, sir? Understand my point or not? Yes. So what is the syntax for the, so see, sir, what is the syntax? What is the syntax for the flashback command, sir? What is the syntax for the flashback command? Okay, flashback. Okay, flashback, table name to before drop. Whatever the data you have, whatever the things you have before the drop, that things will be back from the flashback, sir. That's all. This is what the syntax. So let us try with that. Flashback. Okay. So, sir, before executing that command, do we have the Mahesh IT underscore employees table? Do we have the Mahesh IT underscore employees table or not? Can you guys please confirm? Do we have like as in the Mahesh IT underscore employees table or not? No. So I'm just restoring that table, sir. Observe carefully. Flashback command. Okay. Flashback command. So then the table name is what? Mahesh IT underscore Mahesh IT underscore employees. Okay. Mahesh IT underscore employees to before drop. To before drop, sir. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Flashback command. That's all. Okay. Yes. So yes, flashback command. What is that the table, sir? Okay. Mahesh IT underscore employee. This is what the original name. Mahesh IT underscore employees. Missing keyword. 2 before drop. 1 minute. Select a star from Mahesh IT underscore employees. Okay. Flashback, sir. This is what the command. Flashback. Not required, sir. Just a minute. Let me get it from the Google. 1 minute, sir. In Oracle. 1 minute, sir. Okay. Then we'll go with that table, sir. Okay. I believe. Okay. Yeah. So fine, sir. Flashback got succeeded. Flashback got succeeded, sir. Okay. Flashback table, sir. Table. That's all. So the example is what? So the example is what? The example is nothing but on what? This one, sir. Okay. You can go back and verify the table contains the columns or not. Just verify, sir. How many columns are there? See, 2 columns are there. And what would be the data, sir? What would be the data? Just verify it. See, the data is not there, right? Before dropping, we just truncated the table. Before dropping, we just deleted the table permanently, right or not? That's why the table got dropped, sir. That's why the table doesn't contain the records. If you are not truncating, then definitely the data also will be restored here. Understand, guys? Understand? Yes. This is how you can restore the table back from the recycle bin to Oracle database case. Hope you guys are comfortable. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Okay then. Up to now, everyone clear? Up to one, everyone is clear. Whoever like as in the non-IT people, I just want like as in the response from the non-IT people, sir, whether you guys are in line with me. Yes, fine. Okay then. Sounds good, sir. Sounds good. Okay. Anybody having the questions? Anybody having the questions? You can raise a hand. I will give you an unmute option for you so that you can ask your questions. Yeah, Balam Chandra, like I given you the unmute option for you. You can ask your question. Balam Chandra, I given you unmute option for you. You can ask your question. Yeah, Sudhaji, like if you want to see all the tables present in the database, then you can go for the command called what? Select a star from tab. Okay. To see all the tables, all the tables in the database, we need to use for the command called what? Select a star from tab. That's all. This is the command. No questions, Balam Chandra. Okay, then fine. Any questions from others? Yes, sir. Sure. I will commit that notes. No problem. I will commit that notes. No problem, sir. Can we remove the DB means? Can we remove the database means, Mahesh? Yes, sir. You can. You can drop the database. You can drop our created user database as well. Timestamp value is showing like as on the 12 a.m. showing for the entire table. Yeah, I will give you that one, Rashekar. How to drop the database as well, I will show you. Okay. Mahesh, Suresh, Ramesh, you wanted to drop those databases, right? I will show you, sir. No problem. Okay. Yeah. That's all for today, guys. Again, we'll connect back on the tomorrow session. Have a nice day. Good night. Bye-bye. After completion of our class only, immediately I'm uploading the notes, sir, before closing my mission. Okay. After 5 minutes, you can verify the notes. No problem. Thank you.